Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your savings goals in digits. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. First, you're going to open the Digit app and log into your account using your credentials. And then once you're logged in, from your dashboard, tap on the savings goals section to see all of your current goals. Now you're going to select the specific goal that you want to change. You also see options to edit the goal name, target amounts, or deadline. Make the changes you want, like increasing the targets or adjusting the deadline. And once all that changes are made, just save your updates. Digit will automatically adjust its savings calculations based on your new goal so that you can stay on track. Changing goals is super easy and helps you to stay flexible with your finances. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more Digit tutorials. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.